Alright, here's my next boiler. 20-inch diameter, 3/8 pipe. Firebox is 22 by 22. Really nice hand pump on it. They're getting hard to get. I just happened to stumble onto this one. This is your airlock valve right here. If you got air in the pump or just starting out, and you see water coming out of there, you got all the air out of the pump. And now everything I pump goes right into the boiler. Really nice sight glass on it. Always keep it half full. Tricox. Really nice whistle. 3 chime. I'll blow it. Turn down your volume. Really nice. I will remove this valve because this valve in the whistle works just fine. And this is your engine out. Half. And over here we have a pop-off valve. It says 100, but the gauge reads 90 when it goes off. And it's about ready to go off there. And I will remove that valve underneath the pop-off valve because I know it works fine. Ash pan, might be a little hot here, right there. Really nice firebox. Watch when I turn on the blower. See that movement of air. That is something else. The valve for that is right here. There's a ring inside that has 12 holes in it, and it draws air up the stack using steam. My name is Ross. My number is 206-948-0770. If you're interested in this boiler, give me a call. My email address is anacortesteam@gmail.com. That's anacortesteam@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. It has, by the way, it has 22.5-inch copper tubes rolled in. And it's 80 inches to the top of the stack. It weighs about 500 pounds.